Hi guys, I'm Abby J. I'm excited to join you today at the Ingles table right here at our farm at Black Hawk on the beautiful Sequoia River. We're having a fly fishing party this weekend and I'm whipping up some jazzed up hummus to tempt everybody's taste buds. Ingles has everything we need to make this amazing dish, so let's have a little fun in the kitchen and let's get started. I really love hummus, and I buy the store-bought hummus, and what I like to do is really jazz it up with some fresh herbs and spices. So what I've done is I've diced up a cucumber. We're gonna add this to the hummus, stir that in. We're gonna also add a little bit of spice. These are my jalapeno peppers. Get these flavors incorporated. And this just takes it to the next level. And then we're gonna add some black olives. You can do just about anything with this recipe as far as veggies like radishes, carrots, other things. And then I've chopped up some parsley. Gonna incorporate that in this. And then we're gonna lastly top it off with these cherry ripe tomatoes. And everybody knows how much I love to grow these cherry tomatoes. What I'm gonna do is just incorporate, you gotta get your ingredients really combined to get those flavors enhanced. And I'm having a party tonight, so this is gonna be a really quick, easy dip to make for my guests. And they're gonna really enjoy it because they're gonna think I spent a lot of time doing this, but this is a really quick time saver. And what you do at the very end here is you wanna put these little cherry tomatoes on top of it. And the last thing I wanna do is just drizzle a little bit of Laurelin olive oil on top of it. So you can pair this with crackers, pita bread, but I like to take a more healthier approach. I pair it with sliced cucumbers, and you just take this like this. Okay, there it is. There's my jazzed up hummus. Thanks so much for joining me here at the Ingles table today. Explore the site, check out more of my recipes, tips, and tricks. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.